The 2ZZ-GE utilizes a dual camshaft profile system, the L in VVT-Li, known by enthusiasts and engineers alike as lift, similar to Honda's VTEC, to produce the added power without an increase in displacement or forged induction. Toyota commissioned Yamaha to design the 2ZZ-GE, based on Toyota's ZZ block for high RPM operation and producing a power peak near the top of the RPM range. The high output cam profile is not activated until approximately 6200 RPM and will not engage until the engine has reached at least 60 degrees Celsius. The oil pump is the Achilles heel of the 2ZZ, though incidents are rare and usually occur due to the fault of the driver. Even the briefest period of oil starvation is usually fatal to this engine design. The 1ZZ-FE, produced from 1998 all the way to 2008, with 2000 being the first year VVTi was offered on this engine. In this video, I will show you one way that the 1ZZ-FE is better than the 2ZZ-GE. Here in front of you are two oil pans. One is for the 2ZZ and one is for the 1ZZ. Can you take a wild guess as to which one is for the 2ZZ? Would it be this one or this one? It would seem obvious to think to use the baffled oil pan on a high revving engine. Think again. This one right here with no baffle is for the 2ZZ. I am not making this up. This oil pan is for a 2ZZ engine. 2ZZ-GE. This one right here, I bought this brand new from eBay for a 2003 Corolla 1ZZ. It just, I don't know, I'm lost of words. I did not know of this until a good friend of mine who owned a 2003 Toyota Matrix XRS told me the 2ZZ does not have a baffled oil pan. And I had to see it for myself because I'm out here, I'm not rebuilding my 2ZZ, but I'm pretty much replacing all the gaskets and whatnot, especially the one from the timing chain cover. But how and why was this used for the 1ZZ but not for the 2ZZ? It just doesn't make sense. It doesn't. So the problem here is when you're doing tight corners, not even tight corners, if you're just taking like a windy road and your engine or your car tilts the right amount of weight, your oil pump, your oil pickup can just pick up air and it won't pick up oil, which will cause rod knock, oil starvation. Engine goes bye-bye. Yes, that's the issue. That's one of the flaws that the 2ZZ has, believe it or not. But here's the cool part. You can grab a 1ZZ oil pan, this one that has this baffle, and stick it on a 2ZZ engine. Don't believe me? I can prove it to you. No modification done to it. None. And I can tell you, it goes right on. Don't believe me? I can show you the gaps. Why would they not use this oil pan for a high revving engine that Toyota commissioned Yamaha to do? I don't know. I don't have the answer for that. But if you want to fix or somewhat help your 2ZZ from oil starvation, go this route. I have no words. I just don't know why Toyota did this, or if it was Yamaha's idea. My friend said, oh, they did it to sell short blocks. Which doesn't seem like a bad idea. I mean, you gotta make money somehow, so let's remove the baffle from the oil pans. But there's a lot of alternative options out there. You can buy the Moroso oil pan, or you can buy all the Lotus modified oil pans that are on the internet. I will try and link some down here. A good buddy of mine, Matrix XRS, Matrix XRS SC. Sorry about that. He's been showing me a couple of the oil pan options that there's out there for the 2ZZ engine, and it's just sad that a couple of people that I know or that follow me on social media have told me, oh, my 2ZZ started knocking, and I'm pretty sure it's because of oil starvation. And it's just stupid. It's really stupid. This is one of the flaws the 2ZZ has. Obviously, if you're in the 2ZZ community, you should already know that early 2ZZs had a oil pump problem. I guess as it's on Wikipedia, it's the Achilles foot for the 2ZZ, the oil pump. But on later models, I've been told that it's not too much of an issue. It's just that this is one of the flaws, one of the big issues. No baffle on the oil pan. So if you should probably check under your car. If your oil pan has a dent, spend the $30. See, mine has a dent. Spend the $30. Go buy a 1ZZ oil pan. Slap it on. It doesn't take that long. It doesn't.